So in the fridge, Babbu's items are stored here. This is Babbu's pouches, which she loves the most. So now let's see where Babbu comes when we bring her close to the fridge.
Let's open the fridge. Yay! What you want to take from the fridge, Babbu? What you want to take from fridge? What you want to take? You want to take this. You want to take apple. Okay. Good job. Okay. Here, take this. Take the apple from here. Take apple. Babbu's apple. Hey.
Good job, Babbu.